Our focus is back on the top story. 2611 mastermind Tahavur Rana will remain in the NIA custody for 18 days. The anti-terror agency had earlier produced Rana before the NIA's special court at the Patiala house and sought 20 days of custody. Prior to that, he was formally placed under the arrest on his arrival at the IGI airport in New Delhi. Following his successful extradition from the US during the proceedings earlier at the court, the NIA presented compelling evidence, including emails that were sent by Tahavur Rana to justify his police custody. The NIA informed the court that David Coleman Headley had discussed the entire operation with Tahavur Rana before his visit to India. Anticipating potential challenges, Headley sent an email to Rana detailing his belongings and assets. He had also informed Rana about the involvement of Ilyas Kashmiri and Abdur Rahman in the plot. Now, the NIA will question Rana in detail in order to unravel the complete conspiracy behind the deadly 2008 terror attack. It has been 17 years since the tragedy in which 166 people were killed and nearly 240 were injured. Remember, viewers, the NIA secured Rana's extradition from the US following years of sustained efforts and after the terror mastermind's last-ditch efforts to get a stay in his extradition from the United States failed. Rana was brought to New Delhi yesterday evening, escorted by a team of NSG and NIA, comprising senior officials on a special plane from the Los Angeles in the US. According to the sources, the NIA team will commence Tahavur Rana's interrogation from 10 a.m. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is joining me live to share more details from the NIA. Arzu, very good morning. Now from 10 a.m., just an hour in fact to go for the questioning and the interrogation by the NIA in case of the 2008 Mumbai terror attack. To begin with Tahavur Rana, what are you picking up?
Well, absolutely. The questioning will begin from today as the NIA has got the 18-day custody of the Tahavur Rana. And right now we are standing outside the NIA office and would like to show the visuals also, the multi-layer security that has been briefed up. As you can see, the multi-layer of barricading that has been done. And in fact, if I talk about the questioning from the key plotter in 2611 Mumbai attack, and NIA has secured the 18th day of custody for Rana. And with the questioning starting at 10 a.m. So at this particular point at 10 a.m. the questioning will begin and the interrogation will focus on the Rana's ISI connection, his role in 2611 conspiracy and his meeting with the David Hadley. And also high security measures are in place at the NIA headquarters in Delhi, including the CCTV surveillance with the multi-layer of barricading, and also there will be a superintendent of police level and the DSP level officers from the NIA who will begin the questioning to grill the Tahavur Rana. And also Rana's security is being handled by the national agency, NIA, Delhi Police, and also with the other central security forces. As you can see, there has been a multi-layer of security that is being seen at the NIA, and the questioning regarding there are several important questions that will be asked from the Tahavur Rana regarding the 2611 attack. And even if we talk about the especially designed cell he is being kept in, and there has been advanced security features, CCTV cameras monitoring his movement, and also the motion sensors, biometric locks, ensuring ensuring only authorized access. So there has been a very tight security under which the Tahavur Rana has been kept. And if we talk about there will be a several key questions during his interrogation by the NIA regarding the 2611 Mumbai terror attack, his role in the attack, and also the location during the attacks. Where was the Rana on November 26, 2008, and a reason for visiting India? Why did Rana visit India, and what were his activities during the stay, and whom did he met, and what input he can give regarding the attack that happened in 2008? So there are a lot of key question, and there might be another truth that can be revealed and important input that he can give. So there will be a grilling from 10 a.m. The questioning for the, this is the first day after the 18-day custody that the NIA has got. So the questioning will begin from today at around 10 a.m. Just an hour left, and from when there will be a grilling by the superintendent of police level and also DSP level officer of the NIA that going to question the Tawwur Rana regarding the attack that happened, took the life of the many, and also got left several injured during the attack. Yes, Simran.
Thank you very much for sharing these details and also adding more information. Now